Skrillex Supersonic. I'm gonna show you how to make the Skrillex Supersonic drop very easily using the power of BOSSFIGHT and Breakout. So if you want to learn more, links are down in the description. But anyways, let's go into our DAW and get started with this tutorial. So this drop is very simple. We have the drum beat here, which includes our kick, which is a rim snare, and our very simple hat, which all together sounds something like this. Of course, I added these toms here for adding fills since I don't have the track downloaded, so I didn't shop the track. Anyways, sounds something like this. Then our main lead or bass is actually a very simple technique here. So we have a dual bass, so we have our sub and our top layer, and it sounds something like this. There's a lot of movement, there's a lot happening, but I'm gonna promise you guys this is very simple. So if I load the pattern here, we can see we got our bottom sub layer, which is just a preset that you can use from BOSSFIGHT Dubstep for Vital, powered by Black Lotus Audio. So Black Lotus Audio is the sponsor of this video. So if you want some of the best dubstep presets, future bass, color bass, heavy EDM presets for Vital, Black Lotus Audio is the way to go. So we're using here BOSSFIGHT Sub Underground Juggernaut, which has a really gritty flavor to it. And then it is paired with a soft siren song lead, which is also from BOSSFIGHT for Vital. So if you want to get BOSSFIGHT, you can use the link down in the description for purchase. So the lead sounds something like this. So there's this movement knob. So if I load up the original preset, there's some things a bit different. So what I did is I turned down the space because I didn't want reverb or delay. But I wanted that extra movement that this second macro here gives, because it makes it more dynamic. It sounds more natural, sort of like what the original song was trying to make. Then I layered it one on top of each other, and then I routed them into their mixer tracks. I cut the low end of the soft lead, and then I routed them into another mixer track here where I added a ton of distortion. So what really blends together this bass is that distortion. I'm using Kiloheart's free plugin, so you can do this for free. You can use any distortion that you like as long as you're very, very heavy with it. So without the distortion, it sounds something like this. Sounds very heavy, it sounds very gritty, and thanks to the distortion, I also added some OTT just to give it a little bit more life and compression to it. Then there's this second lead that I added here in this second part. Sounds something like this. And surprisingly enough, it is the same lead, soft siren song, this time without the movement knob and with some pitch bending. So if I enable the pitch bending here, and there's no routing here, nothing special. So very thick, very wide, very big. And that's basically how you can make very easily the Supersonic drop by Skrillex using the power of Black Lotus Audio. So thank you, Black Lotus Audio, for sponsoring this video. Links are in the description. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you next one.